Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain what is average cost in economics. Divide total cost by output to compute average cost. I will walk you through examples, show how fixed and variable costs influence the curve, and explain why average cost matters for pricing and production decisions. You will learn to spot economies and diseconomies of scale, and how marginal cost interacts with average cost to guide efficient output choices. Average cost changes because fixed cost per unit falls as output rises and variable cost per unit can shift with efficiency. I will explain how spreading fixed costs lowers average cost, while rising variable costs can raise it. We will compare short-run versus long-run behavior and show practical implications for firms setting price or choosing scale. By the end, you will be comfortable computing average cost from simple cost data and charts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep tidy and save money by reducing waste, so they connect nicely to managing average food costs. They are sturdy, stackable, and great for portioning, which helps track per meal average cost. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Knowing average cost helps managers decide whether to expand production or change pricing. I will demonstrate how to calculate average cost from a cost table and use graphs to visualize the U-shaped curve often seen in textbooks. You will see real decision rules like pricing above average cost in competitive markets and when short-term shutdown might be necessary. This practical focus will make average cost usable for business choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.